Hello, guys. Hello. Now, good evening. How you are doing? How you doing, girl? Let me open my mouth and laugh at my enemies. Mona come make we laugh at my enemy, my people. Avegia yani winya maoni ya yeo jao deruwa. Walarena dogia. Una good for evening. How na day. My people, mona join this video. Story day. Make una call listen to wait till they go on for social media. How na day, my people. Guys. Now, not the year Monica they cry since on that side. Eve la egbe. Eve nigi la dia no ya so no work bani or what a mark but me agbonta. She's just in one circle. All repeat me or quite bite. Aku already dota we. Agelewe na what a matter na. Evi na very tawa atani e matter no. Oma no who a very on your wire wash ya. Oma no wazo a very oni. Oma ni go muria. Owani la lobo muria. Ewa ya wasted time wa wash. Ni enado asaga pa bati no ma wagbon. Ye matter know the way everything pa bat said is true. A video no them yakbena my people. Wa gada we no de na dan we no we na de diseti. No ave na unwe man of the hospital we a presenter Siana. Thanks for joining Mohammed. Thanks for joining. Please, my people, as you are joining, thumbs up. A video now, work, no do that. It made that your year as if you now are begging your gun. I know your show now because I know you won't use and stress now. But if you see that year as I'll get it like class. That time we could read your day live video. Now I just did a cooker. Have anytime you wear a stockfish. I just do one hey, as I mentioned stockfish, I don't remember one thing. My people, before we enter this our enjoyment, you get one woman where they call OTT son. Okay, you get one lady where they call OTT son. This lady, they draw my attention to her this afternoon. Okay, they draw my attention to her this afternoon. She based in Italy. She be presenter. So I want to let you know, say anywhere you see a video, why is there your okay? Why is there your una know what they pay her for body? She wrote me some time ago because they make her give her a person number where they sell stockfish for Italy. I not give her. Okay? She did Italy. Una know say me too before. I hear people they go they buy stockfish. Not even before. I hear people they go they buy stockfish. If you need stockfish, you'll give me money, you'll send me. I'll help you go buy come, but you'll give me my taxi go and come. Okay? You'll pay for taxi go and come. I feel still drink ice cream, but now you use your mind do that one. I dare people that time go they buy stockfish. I still they go if I see you send me. I dare that they go the factory. Yeah, because now no say na Napoli. Now I first stay when I just come Italy. So all those places, gold shop or stockfish, especially stockfish, all those things. I dare people they buy and where gold, all those one. So but I don't see they told the answer for live video again because we don't see past that stage. Who you need down? Seriously, it go reach out to me. So some time ago, this OTT again, no ma BSO, where they Italy, where they sell stockfish, where a case stockfish, she be. You understand? The part where she did for Italy, I don't know for her. And I not care to know. She called me, she don't call me like 3 to 4 times now, my people. She called, they beg me for phone number because I know all those people where they sell stockfish. I know all of them. Nobody, Oibo, the black, all of them. I get their contact. So this lady called, it be like say I don't know. It be like say I just know. Say ohona dano. And she begged me rich. As she called me rich. During that time, I was very busy. Okay? During that time, I was very busy. And I can't look and say, the way the woman take they talk, if she call me, she'll put cloth for mat. You understand? if she call me, she'll put cloth for mat. She'll they follow me, they talk, like, you understand, you know, say this person, this will not be real voice. She'll they talk to me like that. So when I detect, say, she was hiding something, I decided not to give her the stockfish people phone number. So now my body, they pepper her. So anywhere you see her talking to me, she be a gun, she not born. Okay, she not born. She explained her story to me, but she was fake. She was not real because she covered her mouth and the WhatsApp where she take her picture not there, so she was fake. That was why I also show her fakeness. I not give her those people number. Now everybody they pepper her. So if you see her talking, mona no man, mona leave her. Italian je ya ko babamu. We no wa short again no Tony a parking ya what the boy idiot do really parking it all turn upside down, you understand? So for that one, I'm gonna leave that one. So my amazing people, let's laugh people where they cry. Wesun. Monica no me bipolar disorder. What are you doing? Wavieyi? Iyan gbe mi yo wepu o. Iyo. Mi arivie iyan gbe mi yo akara. Iyo. Emi no weta no de we wata be na. Iyo. Utobe no de wata be na o. Iyo. Monica no via tuari. Iyo. Mabere magba wene o. Iyo. Ima issue we review oh when uba serious. Oh we are moody anu awe video. Oh when one silly near o we yava. Oh when one zuo yo zuore Monica no via tuari. We know you already. You are useless. Emite no gwedi o social media live video presenters egbe. Are you not ashamed of yourself? And oh wagbon. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Now the attention where you define, now you see. So, thanks for joining. Thanks, it's Esther Young. Yes, now. She won't use that attention to build herself again, Monica. When no what go ni go. Where we hear Monica no, whereas no level. This what she do on a normal. Or I scare zoning or I see zoning. Ye where when ye analyze now, you say it they fight for Esther. The money where Facebook go remit her for all this fight. Now she take they pay blessing unjo. Is it blessing unjo, my people? I think a blessing unjo they call that woman where sue her. Where she they pay $170 for every blessed day for UK. Now that kind of person will say, make we call it, ye has for echo better kausa. Imagine people they buy things, they pay credit, they pay small. Eti no be unwe na tell me no maka kenota. Or pay $170. Now she they pay blessing unjo every day. I want to see the money. Inye wa lo Esther. No be say she like Esther. The same thing she did with Iyore. The same thing she did with other people. A matter as stay up na obalajan we to mudia no mani na layo. She want gain that attention. Once Esther matter just still go down. Now Esther, anything will make your matter go down now. Or they gbe down. Change my name. Anything will make your matter go down now. Who will not degbe pagbe? You know say I dey play for social media. Because the small thing will be remain for your nyash. Monica go ofo what thinking. The whole Europe have decided. Everybody don't know you say again now. Done. People are now fed up. Tired of you. You understand? They are not fed up and tired of you at the same time. They don't need you again. They don't need you anymore. They don't need you again. You understand? You are going to hear woto. Monica me fancy about we no view no. Iye gba logere. Ogu we yen o ni yen view. Ogu we. Eyin o ni view. Emi mi pa ran ohun e. Guys, I dey find the video where Monica do yesterday. Okay? I want to see the video. They may will compare am with the one where she dey do today, whether not the same thing. Let we go for see that video now. I use my other phone to search am. May I find the video, my people make we listen to her. I will no as well. Man, I will no as well. You will be ready to face the surugede dance. The surugede Jackie Chan dance. Why Zuone, you will be ready to face the surugede dance. Monica, who are giving us Esther fee. Look at the shame and disgrace you put Esther. Yes, we are there. See shame and disgrace where you put Esther. Where we minu ya ladin. Imegu where we ofe. Yes, we are there. Share the video, guys.
The truth. Without, I don't hate you, but I will tell you the truth.
Okay, he said, "Want to tell the truth."
My lady, do you want me to tell you the truth why your first wife is so quiet?
Hi. The life is star.
He married to lie. He has accepted.
Hey.
They
come and do my speaker.
You have not accepted your fate. You have not accepted I married to lie. I married to who do I marry to? I married to do I even know what I married to? What is this? You never realize. You just the feel say I married to Cubana, I married to Richman, I married to Ma no Yamefe, I married to Ma that enemy, I married to the one that is why you are thinking it's somebody's fault. Is this one? No! You are married to. You are married to lie. I'm sorry. I'm telling you the truth.
We'll start from the beginning.
The truth. Without, I don't hate you, but I will tell you the truth.
Okay.
My lady, do you want me to tell you the truth why your first wife is so quiet?
The laughing.
He knows who he married to. He married to lie. He has accepted her fate. You have not accepted your fate. You have not accepted I married to lie. I married to who do I marry to? I married to, do I even know what I married to? What is this? You never realize. You just the feel say I married to Cubana, I married to Richman, I married to Ma no Yamefe, I married to Ma that enemy, I married to the one that the kingmaker. That is why you are thinking it's somebody's fault. Is this one? No! You are married to. You are married to lie. I'm sorry. I'm telling you the truth. That is why this quality you want in him. He doesn't have it, but you think he has it. He doesn't have it. The first time I go see you sometime, asking for what he doesn't have go solve. That's why sometimes you feel like two of them is playing you for one. Because that one already accepts. He already accepts. He already accepts. Now you the feel say there is something the cover, the nene. He has said he knows.
May I tell you my people, if my friend then claim say he want to advise me, at the end, he come out for social media, come they laugh like this. If my own friend claim say he want to advise me, then he come out for media, come they laugh my enemy like this. My people, is this one advice or mockery? And come to think of it, there are many ways to advise married woman where they go through marital stress. If I may call it so, there are different ways to advise married woman where they go through marital stress, is telling the woman to leave her husband the best decision. If this Monica now your wife friend, as a man, will you still advise your wife to keep making friends with a woman like this? Monica is a lesbobo. Let me tell you people something you don't know. Monica is a lesbobo. She's after people's wife. Believe it or leave it. Monica you see on social media is a lesbobo, a lesbian bolo. Now she be, which is woman wey dey bolo woman. Now she be eke roba never. You know say the company never manufacture and come outside. Who she dey use those eke roba for? Na people wife. Na people wife. If she successfully remove Esther now from husband house, she go put and join inside the group where they shook hand for their self nyash. Avec Kiroba Association no muhia. Have you ever seen Monica settling marital issue? Never. Either he make the woman leave the marriage or he make the man leave the marriage. That is what she's known for. And she no go rest until she remove Esther for this marriage. Mona go better. She not like any of the parties. But it be like campaign. Yeah? It be like campaign. Be like debate. Now she's fighting the man because of the two wives. The reason she's fighting Edward, she don't toast Edward. Share the video, my people. Make I tell you some things. Monica, they fight Edward today. Now, because of say she don't toast Edward no agree. Yes. She don't toast Edward to... She don't toast Edward. Edward no agree. That is why Monica now the saga Edward. Because he toast her. No trick way, no use for that one. He raise yan show that one. He come up breast show that one. He do over sabid for that one. He do everything for that one. That is why she dey cry. Say she was used. Woman like you used you are come. Because she put herself as a man to Edward. Edward used that and dump her. Honor he got so honor shamelessly. But you can't pay Edward today. Now she come to Esther. What she really need from these women is ototo ahara. Now she need not be even money. Not be even money. Na ahara. Now she need from these women, which is ototo. Now she needs. Not yes. If you like say this queen be like say don't decrease. Now you know. Until it happen to only you. Until you know. I don't know how many times our name don't come out for lesbolism. Percy, where if you run inside his house, go bring people tell us, say, go and bring out your property, make we see. She run, go inside house, go pack a key rubber, where full bucket come outside. When they show people, say, there, oh, you make key rubber, me key rubber, ni konkon. Oh, muhiya. So she fighting this Edward is because she don't toast Edward no agree. And she looks at Esther they naive.
You want me to tell you?
Esther they naive. She's easily to be manipulated. Just the same way wanted by a career now. SNS uno my Monica. Or you were banner by those siesta keg waiting in rescue or whether she young best or who came no soon. On this one delay your bo. On this one delay your boss one cook no ya blackmail. Or I completed, ya blackmail on in
You are not accepted.
Only man you and all the video all the
I'm married to lie. I'm married to who do I
share the video, my people. I'm well over like you, and I know they see comments. People are here now, we many here, Mona put comments.
You never realize. You just say I'm married to.
So that Facebook will release this video.
I'm married to man.
I'm
married to man that
let's fire down.
I'm married to the one that the kingmaker. That is why you are thinking it's somebody's fault. Is this one? No. You are married to. You are married to lie. I'm sorry. I'm telling you the truth.
Thanks for joining,
That is
Mama
why
Chelsea.
this quality you want in him, he doesn't have it, but you think he has it. He doesn't have it.
Okay.
The first time I go see you sometime, asking for what he doesn't hear go so that's why sometimes I feel like two of them is playing you for one because
Fast, that's
see,
okay.
that one already accepts.
Okay.
He already accepts.
Okay. Hi.
He already accepts. Now you the feel say there is something the cover, the nene. He has said he knows. He knows.
Okay.
He will never defend him.
Guys, love and
If
like.
you
Okay,
defend
love
him,
and
you
like
shame
and
yourself.
share.
No one. But see you will defend him, you will shame yourself. You will defend him, you will talk. You will defend him, they will curse you. You will defend him. What says on Wawabat? You wanted to defend him, but Abat was right. You became.
Una dey listen to this lesbobo, a woman that is tracking married women pekus. Wavyewoku wale, Mr. Abat, hide your wife o Ikebo Wuhani oyevoro kona o. Ikebo Wuhani oyevoro kona o. Emi no wanihi. Ikebi viere all target. Onisi viere all target. Iwo all target or a target okay. She's a lesbobo. We know her. The reason her ex-friend beat her, dump her, is because of lesbolism. Monica cannot come and be sagaring man or make she see say man do mistake, make correct the man, never. Instead, she go want make your wife come up for your house. She go want make your wife come up for your house. She dey among waiting come out Diono Sagi wife for your house. Yes, the videos are there. I even jam one just now for her YouTube. She's among the people wait. In short, now she be the madam Yagbe we drive Osage wife. This Monica. She dey focus on people wife. No, that in Ezekiel Keimire. Or see God no give a natural one. Or na ari eke ona adeleke roba. Do si lo kwayowa. No yawi huere. No yawi huere ige Monica. The reason now she's fighting Airword because she don't toast Airword. Or can't toast Airword the name. Yes, only don't pay. Only was like, I came to you for business. If that one even go to herself, now let go. I came to you for business. And you don't do the thing. So what will I be doing with you? Monica go dey kneel down, the beg get word. Say me that one beg. May not break her heart. If he break her heart, he will yok back. Because I see no reason why woman go come dey cry for fellow woman say he break her heart. Salutation is no love. You will tell what when they talk. Later una not talk again. Eh? Thank you, my lady Mose. Una not talk again. Everybody waka away. Onivese no siezwa. But because Monica was after something else. You don't see today. Me, since when me take this live video, I don't know say what they wear us. I never even look at words to that extent. Say she they wear us. I never even know. Say if a word no wear us. Say some spots they her leg. I never know. Monica will be woman. Don't view. She don't view all everything. Monica don't view all a word lap. Or all the avavo where everything. Go reach a word enemy yash. Or view a yanni. Una not hear where she they talk and just now say. Words they wear so us. If you know wear us, na so in yash, na so in leg can't get spot. You will be woman. Where you know, say you yourself, you get your own leg. What till your eye they do for another married woman leg? If not be lesbolism, waiting go attract you attractively to somebody privacy area. Person will be say no one they expose herself. Then make her she dey always wear host. She don't want to expose herself, and maybe don't they used to her, and maybe she dey more comfortable in it because she be stylist for crying out loud. Monica Mumu, may I tell you, Edward na stylist, person where they trim hair, person where they cut hair, person where they plait hair. You don't know say if she don't wear anything for that leg, any hair she trim or cut, as they trim her like this, all those hair go they dust the entire body, go they gum her skin. You don't know, but because you be less bobo, because you be a shower bobo, because you be feria bobo, you don't look everything. You die. Oh well, oh na wa rap. E what dia wa vagie wa ijeme. Akpike Monica because he must say kosaze. Akpike always de similar to Ekia. Akpike Monica we de similar to Ekia. Our race. Or what me word. Or what that's our babia. Or what bomber the river nona. Now they look Monica say na woman. Me, it don't tell why they say and say na man. Bruce who. Now so they can't change the whole house. That's what I see Bruce. If Bruce they work, na mona they look in yash now. Mona they look in yash. Nobody don't say saga. If Bruce like that, they wear short knickers so where they work, they go. Una not notice anything for back. Bruce now they work like gay. Bruce now they work, they raise here, they then get the pose, they then get the pose. That day when I see her, his shape now can't change. Bruce shape can't change. His shape can't change. Bruce now don't get. There's I don't know the kind of shape one Bruce can't get. The Monica ya yeke roba sole. Monica do ven boy do yeke roba wan Bruce. Monica we do ven boy do we yeke roba wan Bruce do ven boy because things where you supposed to even they swear put. I don't know why you they waste people time. You know when they go straight to the point. You can't they swear for something where they not saying you. Forget this one where you they do. Do ven boy do one Bruce only son. Because your eye not good for it. Now you be the man of that house. I'm Bruce, now woman of that house. We don't know this titete. My lady Chelsea Mohammed, no man. We don't know Bruce tete. We be known as that Bruce say the waka. But since when you take descent on a way to often they stay one house, things change for Bruce's body. Things change for Bruce's body. Why you care about Boviere? Why of your man? May you see us you wicked. May you see us you wicked. Person son. Bruce a person son. Uye care about umweri ya gweze. So if you can't do that video, Bruce you can't go hide for back of window. You come from window, they stretch neck, they looking for his ass. How many times we don't cash out like that? How many times we don't cash out like when you did that video? We'll see say Bruce the stretch neck they come out for window for backyard where they you go the stretch neck they look his ass for your house. Bruce you do whatever this son only you will see that for Bruce house you they insult Isha people and Bruce na Isha. I trust my Benime. Your mother Benima. You see you eat food. You day in house. Then you come sit down for a parlor. You come the insult Benime. You know what you'll tell you? Go say, if that live video, you go now that live video go for first start to they beat you. That live video so. Now that live video go for first start to they beat you. Say, who wait your bunny? We are what you they do? Okay, they insulted those people. Now what your family say? Me you can't do with that. Yeah, my bug bitch we bava. No, a person will tell you, say, this nonsense, don't try it. But because Bruce will be Bruce will get gay when I got a boy. The one where they vex me past now. Who call them money Sam Bruce will say where you are not after people's wife. The ones where get money inside. The ones where you know say they get influence, where you tell they do saga, they get money. Now then you the target now. Uze bege word. Amami nunuma tie word ye. My sweetheart, my boo boo, my jiggy, the love of the cause, Because now you feel they praise their word now. I bet you forget. I bet me will still go bring the video. No, while I will go bring the video. Say you will not follow you argue anything. I have a yard video. Then we are at word. The time where you they hustle a word. Nyash. A word that while you were buried, but no, don't be angry. Now waiting Monica they fine for your body where you not give them better. Because me not fit sit down and call they say woman like me. He can't dump me. He can't use me, dump me. That one a boyfriend or girlfriend word. Now boyfriend or girlfriend, I guess supposed to tell boy say, you break my heart too. You left me, you abandoned me, you know they take care of me. No be woman to woman with my people. Una they look Monica say Monica na normal human being. Monica is a spiritual being. Monica is a spiritual being. Esther was used. My people, Esther was used. Esther was used. Monica pushed her to come and display her shame and disgrace. First, she will not come as a rescue as they do and so. Now he push that one to shame and disgrace. So she will not come as a rescue to pretend to that one and say, I want to rescue you. During that process, she will be using that one to make money. Also be mocking that one. When she sees that one case don't go down, say no, they bring you again, she go dump that one for everlasting basura. It has been happening on this Edo cyberspace. Not be new thing. Not be new thing. Now we be the presenter. Me, myself, I've been on live video for the past 7 years. And not be baby for this space. I know how I know how we run things on this media. I know how we run things when things not they run horse. You understand? We be feel like that way, know the real cocoa of what they go on for this media. Monica coming out now, she not even fit sit down for share. Queen Rita video will make you run mad, Monica. Yes, thank you, my person, my lady, Toyin. Queen Rita video will make Monica run mad. Queen Rita sat down patiently and peacefully. She was just relaxing. You all saw the video. She was relaxing, analyzing. Queen Rita video from A to Z. No Ogunagboe or Umene or Ashawo, nothing like that. But people were happy. The love was massive. But let's go to Echo Better own. Una not see a video. Upon no say she start, she dey. Okay, why is she shouting? If I may ask, what it concern Monica for this matter? Esther can't insult all of us. Esther no insult her. Wait till be her own business. She like the Esther, but she want friend Esther. She want friend Esther. May una listen. Let me continue playing it. Make una listen. The love. Where they show Esther. Ikweo. Ikweo.
You see? That's the problem, lady. That's the problem.
Okay.
Wake up.
Huh?
You married to lie.
See what it talk. Ashawo.
I wish I can lay my hand on that film. I will tell you to go and wash it.
A blue film. Oh, how me stand ya watch a blue film. Jeme.
But he may not say I wash a film. He said to keep it tattoo here. I will say go and wash.
A blue film or phone never tattoo.
He told this woman he's a daughter. Every day he wake up, he dress and go like a daughter. For years. Not be saying I want more. Not be saying I 10 months. Yeah.
Monica will have a Louis Nas. I don't die. Hey, Monica will have a Louis slangs. Why is that by? Make her can go back. By you know what?
This woman is a daughter. Every day he wake up, he dress and go like a daughter. For years. Not be saying I want more. Not be saying 10 months. Years.
Eh?
Fake it like this.
Hey! Monica. She won't get shit.
Wake up.
Ma show na face. Eri me akwewa we since.
That's why the first one will never defend him. If he defend him, he will disgrace himself, and he already know.
Eh?
Look at every time you rise up to defend him, you will disgrace yourself. You go be like, now 2 of them are big.
See her teeth, she dey celebrate.
Abba believe both of you are thief. That's why you wanted to cover up for him. And you now, you trusted him like, I don't think he do to all these things. But at the end of the day, he do more than. You were surprised. You shock. You not even know say collect like that. You see, even in your back, he was playing you.
See person friend, they are 5 person.
You married to lie. You just have to accept. There are people. That's why you don't know that sickness where they call a pathological liar. People who are with them, you will accept. You are going to double check everything they are doing, and you know, and you accept.
Thank you, Mama Chelsea. Okay, because coffee enter.
Clarify things to me. Clarify. They are pathological liars. No matter what they clarify, they keep you in the dark. The more you want to know about them, the more you go deeper in believing fairy tale that doesn't exist. They are going to use fairy tale that doesn't exist to clarify that your longing. You see, there are some few things you demand, you control, you want to know, you are spoken. The other one doesn't bother anymore. He knows that when he told that one, there is this small girl, I'm happy, he was knocking you already. She knows that this is who she is.
Una hear that place? Mona listen to what he talk for here. Or emana yena bestawa. Esther, the aganu tota. By the time you go realize, say people where you feel say they be your enemy. Now they even be wish you well. Where they you've already even where you say no. Una hear what she talk for there. She say even when a word take Esther as a small girl, they feed her, they clothe her. Come later realize say the small girl where she they feed, they take care of, they knock the husband. He say a word no care. You see person where he say na a word na in they fight for the relationship. Na a word pack out you can't give her. Na a word they pursue everybody they go. Na the same amount that with the year na say a word don't even care about the relationship. Oh yeah, ko work here. We a relationship. Oh my word they are go very cognito. Do that or me van gbe oko no koko. Now they hear all these mentally evacuated people talking. Then anymore yeke. Una listen to how it blast Esther. Listen.
Longing. You see, there are some few things you demand, you control, you want to know, you are spoken. The other one doesn't bother anymore.
Okay.
He knows that when he told that one, there is this small girl, I'm happy, he was knocking you already. She knows that.
Una hear that place. He say she knows that there was this small girl. I was happy. And he was knocking you. She knows. Meaning, okay, thank you, my lady. Why have I said all this? Meaning, she know that her word was helping Esther. The reason why you see that even if you want to help somebody, why you see this mommy, erame. If you are my friend as a woman, and you are a married woman, don't bring your husband close to me. I don't want to have anything to do with your husband, because I know men. All men are the same. The only thing that can make a responsible man, a pastor, a man you think say no go fit cheat, the only thing we go fit make and cheat na new kpekus. You see men, you see men. If they see kpekus, we be say they never even do before. If you like, make that kpekus get 30 children. Say na new kpekus, they never do it before. If you not take time, discharge those things, come on for around your vicinity, your husband, they see them every time. The only thing that will make your husband to cheat on you will be old bekus is a new bekus. Go and ask people waiting me. The only thing that will make your husband to cheat on you is a new woman. A word, na carry skeleton of song, go meet her husband. Yes. Now a word took skeleton of nowhere as a small baby. This one now is coming from Monica, where know their story. A word took skeleton of song close to herself as a sister where suffer one by where or both don't throw where a bag for her side. A word rescue Esther. They feed her small. They plate free hair for that head. But waiting to pay a word. Honor Dwekiari. Ekiani o yeve gbe word ibana. Atuna ye bloggers now where they carry and they go say Esther talk say Mama B was beaten by a word for her shop. Una don't hear that video now. Una don't hear her. Say a word talk say he say Esther talk say a word was beaten out of Mama B was beaten by a word out of a word shop. The day where that one go patronize her. Say Mama B na Roy Conro comot. Say a word can they call people say where they day make they come beat Mama B, make they come disgrace Mama B. Esther said that thing. But you know why I not believe? You know why I not believe that word? The reason why I not fair if you talk and if not be say I can't they see bloggers now they carry on. Why I not believe that word be say Mama B is not the first blogger to patronize a word. If you don't patronize a word, a lot of bloggers don't patronize a word. So why she not beat all those people? Why Mama B will be her sister? That was why I not really drag that word. I know my Esther. Esther is trying so hard to destroy a word business. The Mumu video where she do that, I don't still hear say, I bring her come say I want say, una con they call the hair rubber hair. You see una not con know say na una get the rubber hair. You see her? She was using that to refer that Edward is selling rubber hair. I beg Esther will not be kiye wodobo. But I know that some people are still blind. They will not see it. Edward has never spoken a word since all these things are happening. Edward never talk. Edward never talk. Okay, even if say the man pack hair, give Esther, make Esther come they say. The way Esther even take they sell that hair, even you do not go buy. Because the hair was not, it was not hot combed, they're not common, they're not style them. The way they take excuse her for Baba come for Nigeria. Now so she cut the pack and come and people call the buy. We do some soon the learning. Now people come they tell and say, which kind hair be all this one? This hair now from Lagos Street. This hair are fake hair. And now she decided to bring those hair to media. Just to use and drag a word. Esther is after a word salute. The reason why you people need to support Elwood, patronize her. Esther want bring down that woman business. Since when she take here say Esther call a pa bat say a pa. Please no the saga us again I beg. That one can go pay small money, be like 8 million, 6 million. Since that day, Esther have been fighting Elwood resources. Esther musician no pupangolo no kpizangwe no kpizagodo. Uweje miegbe asa mejinia. You don't want to take ammo. Because I said you always they tell you say you see all this your madness where they happen. So the day you go offend was say will go open mouth talk anything about you. Say she can't dey bitter. You yourself, you will still deactivate your account. As my husband now don't deactivate your account, you go deactivate your account too. Because that one, I want where any street they see you for the, you know where you the fear will let you now come they work out for my street. As I they talk now for live video, I will hear say they work out for down there for my street. You know dear, who will down if you for yourself on my street, where you look on. Because only me by myself, only me want to treat your fuck up. And not be say I go do it. No. Before me go calm down, I'll first call police first. I'll call my zonal police immediately. Make it to a step. They don't reach there. Yeah, it's your hand there. They'll twist and go back. They'll wrap her. They'll as if I make so they'll wrap you like a homie. Cause I go tell them say you be trafficker. You brought a lot of people to Europe. Me not get another case I want to do with you. You be trafficker, you they do black market. Now your case don't many. You they do black market, but now trafficker now now that one will tell them. Because all the evidence are there. How you tell they bring the count, they there. You know how many of your type they define? You know how many of your type they define? Before you go say, if you like, carry 300 lawyer. Me, I first get my own one lawyer. Government go still give me lawyer. I still get all these care workers. Yes, you don't know. I still get. Where go they arrange the story where? Where go they arrange the story where? Do you understand? They do kati. I see video where you post Esther Mangolo musician or what? We are busy. I see what you post. You they shop seafood. You say you and your children they shop seafood. That you look and say any trait of guerrilla. Food where we don't shop, we don't abandon. Food where we don't shop, safe where we don't abandon. Now you want content. What you want from say? How many days you fit? How many times you take fish chop seafood? How many times? Where the ma wo gia? Where na we buna? Where the ma wo gia? As I don't talk now, they will run and go cook am for you. Where the agbo? Where you don't smell okra soup where burn for fire? Okra where they cook with better assorted, it go burn for under pot of you don't shop am. A bogaru way, where the enya. Who is war? A seafood in a filokwa. Seafood, now you want got a phone for us. Seafood. Man, go put my fridge. Make I show you how many fish, all this anytime. Those big anytime when they eat sometimes, the people, all those BB fish when they fry those. May I go show you? I've been a corn for inside. Wow, bon. Now food you can't here, shop. Eh? Listen to your new girlfriend. Go wife buy friend. Now don't be boyfriend or girlfriend.
Is.
Share the video, guys. Mona share this video.
when you not do some kind of like children traveling abroad, you pay triple until you realize. That is how everything. If you go,
una hear wetin he talk. She say they tell whether they travel. Meaning Esther don't tell her everything about the marriage. She said when they plan trips to come Europe with the children, which is that time family travel, where they travel. Both Edward, both our son, both she herself and that our son, those one, where they come. He said now she pay all the transport, all everything. Now waiting Monica, they try to talk here. Say now she pay everything. Say now she pay everything. But come to think of it, who cares? Who sent her message? Is that supposed to be our business? Eto gualekia. Abi eto gualekia. Ekiana is very expensive. Oh, once entire life already we don't care. Word do suffer, they do artists, they go. She say word no guesses. You ya gwen la the comment section anyway. They're not ashamed, they're not get anything, they're not achieve anything because word wa no go of your board do. Go say as you see me so we wa beg when you wa mudia na wa mudia one era ma gom. Whereas three hair from Airword store, feel build Esther mansion. Believe it or leave it. Three hair from Airword store, feel build Esther mansion. It be like say some of you don't know hair business. You don't know what to be hair business, eh? Even before government appointed man, if you come to say when they say hair. Person where they go the center of hair. Person where they go the center of hair. The depot of hair. Only one. You see where they put those bow straight. If you be person where get eye, those long one now they are almost Sunday there 1.8. 2.5 million hair they there, 3.5 million hair they there, 7 million hair they there. If you be person where they see road where stand as they put those camera so stand one place like this. Film one side go down. As that matter they talk. If not already done like this way, she just line up dummy put from beginning to the end of long hair so. All those 1.5, 2 million, to female go down. Female where? Can't type now. If now 40 pieces, I know you know say now step. I'm talking about one step now, the last one for that. Film the hair from beginning to the end. Now let's assume say 1 or 2.5 million. Then 2.5 times 40 pieces. How much is that, my people? I bet that is the ask now how much. Test